Purple leaf, 12 by 20 inches, permanent hardtop, aluminum gazebo, with galvanized steel double roof for patio, lawn, and garden, curtains and netting included, gray color. Hi, welcome my friend. This is a stylish and sturdy outdoor patio gazebo. It features a simple design that offers a large shade and gives efficient large protection from bright light and harsh heat. Purple leaf hardtop gazebo gives you a spot to enjoy your garden come rain or sunshine. It will become a permanent addition to your outdoor space, ideal for entertaining or simply relaxing alone or with family. Insect netting and privacy curtain. This netting protects from mosquitoes, moths, and other bugs without blocking the view or the breeze. Galvanized steel roof and drainage system. The roof is made of galvanized steel and ultraviolet resistant material that protects from the sun on an especially hot day. Thanks to the powder coating, its high-grade steel frame is protected against water damage. The double roof design provides better airflow without sacrificing protection, with a small gap at the top to help disperse wind and heat for more comfortable lounging experience. A second rooftop section overlaps over the main roof to prevent rain and snow from coming into the gazebo. 4.7 by 4.7 inches poles with pre-drilled holes. Base are designed for sturdy installation, offers stability in windy conditions. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.